Oi! Turn those lights off in there. I need my game to be darker. The original video store. Excellent videos. That 1000s of XXX videos. But they haven't got any imp porn. Imp porn, not im porn.
I don't know about this. What the hell?
Yeah, you do. You know all about it. All there is to know anyway, which is nothing. Can I have that? I don't really want it, to be honest. I don't use it, but I might one day. Paul, you could have just smacked it to open it. Yeah, but couldn't be asked. What is that? There's a mouldy block. Whatever. Ching ching. Ching ching. Shut up. Why can't we have a secret? Oh my god, the hobo fire! Oh! Free delivery. Pizza? Free delivery? I think you'll find that's a chicken. Or a turkey. Yeah, whatever. No, don't say do not enter if it's impossible to enter in the first place. God. If it's impossible to enter in the first place, you don't need to tell me.
The headlines were a depressing read.
You don't need to tell me do not enter, because I can't.
The headlines were screaming bloody murder.
No, they
the storm
weren't.
was a screaming duet with the approaching prowl car sirens. It was all a scream when you were down for the count and wanted for murder.
Yeah, I know. I would know. My life story, buddy. No. Wait. So am I supposed to be going this way? Ow, bollocks. Oh well. It's just one little pock. So then what was in this optional building that I went in? Snow! No, that's not what's in the building. That was just what I was walking into. I don't know why you can't step in it. Oh, I got everything from in here. Wait. No, there wasn't a door in there. That was a very pointless room. It was all for an Uzi. Or an Ingram. Dual Ingrams. Since when a Uzi is called Ingram? What? How's anyone supposed to get here? It's all walled off and stuff. Pump action shotgun. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my god, a hairy hair. Over there. In the air. Going in someone's underwear. It's dark in here. Oh! There you go. Thanks for coming out, buddy. I hate it when a sneeze comes and then disappears. It's just annoying. You know, if you're gonna build up like that, don't just change your mind and bugger off. Ugh! Why did you come over here? That door was obviously not gonna open. Sorry. I had to know for sure. This is scary. Why is that wall cracked? Whatever. Oh. It's just crazy people again, don't worry. What's the point of this room? Oh. Uh-oh. I'm worried. Who's gonna shoot these behind me? Oh!
The
Ah!
whole building was rigged with explosives.
Oh, fuck. Oh! What? You see, what I thought I'd do was I'd blow this up. Whoa! Fucking sausage rocket.
The whole
Oh!
building was rigged with
Why did that open this time? Oh, I see.
The whole building was rigged with explosives.
Come on. God. Good, you're dead. Because there was no way you would survive that. Are you safe? Yeah, you are. It's Simon Pegg. No, it isn't. Bonk! No, I don't know. Why have you done this? They both sounded the same. I don't know why he decided to pull a gun on me. Probably because he was insane. It's alright, there's painkillers here anyway. Oh, but that breaks tradition of leaving painkillers behind because you're too skilled. Oh. We've got music from good games. Hello? Hi! Ow, you bastard! Good enough. That's what I reckon. Ba-boing, ba-boing, ba-boing. Are these boxes? No. Well, they are, maybe, but they're metal, if they are. Da-doom, ba-boom, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Who was that? Who were you trying to shoot? I wasn't there yet. Plonk. Uh-oh. Fine. Don't blow up like you previously did. Oh no, phone's ringing. Luckily it's just in the game this time. What? Who are you?
That phone in the entrance hall was ringing.
I know.
It could have been just a junkie in need of a fix, but it turned out to be something more sinister than that.
Uh-oh.
Am I speaking to Mr. Payne?
What?
Who wants to know?
My name is Alfred Woden. You must hurry.
Woden.
The police are on their way.
Woden.
Tell me something I don't know.
They know you're there.
How? And what's it to you?
I will contact you again.
Click.
The cops arrived. Sirens singing in the off-key harmony.
Oh,
of the
no.
Impressive choir.
Oh no.
I had a few minutes while the SWAT team would go through their usual routine. By the time they busted in, I needed to be long gone.
Max Payne.
What?
This is Deputy Chief Jim Bravura from the NYPD.
I know.
Drop your weapons and come out with your hands above your head.
What a typical voice. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Oh. Don't kill me. How am I supposed to come out with my hands above my head if I'm dead? You know what you should use? Bullet time. It's there for a reason. Oh! It's impossible. That's what this game is. Why is the world exploding?
Without a key, I'd never get past this door.
Oh. I'm not happy with that. This health loss is unpleasant.
Someone had
Unpleasant.
left a letter on the counter.
No one cares.
There was a key on the shelf.
That's what I want to see. Not the key, the painkillers.
Suddenly it all made sense. The bombs, the Russian mob boss making an appearance in person. Gagmiti was his usual self. All talk and no walk.
He was probably
After I
running.
hit, the Russian has only a couple of guns left, and they can be bought. There's no freaking way he has the guts to try anything after that.
What?
As it turned out, the Russian had plenty of guts.
And they're out of him
One
now.
thing you could count on. You push a man too far, and sooner or later he'd start pushing back.
Tell me about it. Oh!
Hold it right there.
Oh no, I ain't done nothing. Don't worry, it wasn't me. What was the point of opening this door? They can't even get me. What a bunch of... Oh, wait! Twat! Oh.
Did you hear something?
Oh, I only done this bit, yeah. Nom.
Who was that?
Yeah. That was very noisy again. Just like last time.